Is the World Cleanup Day fast approaching? No, it is today and will be every day. If you are wondering why, what, when, where, how, or who to start, the answer is you. You are the change makers. Together with your help, commitment, support, and action, we are creating a global movement for a waste-free world that will change the course of human history. It's not too late to create a habit and make our home, our school, and our world a better place for living.
It's just better to clean up after ourselves because it's our space. I am happy when the room is left spotless.
They wipe the window. They sweep the floor. All of these approaches help instill new habits and beliefs in every learner that they can create a better surroundings. So it's a practice we like to carry on. It's never too late to start.
I get praised for a little thing I do, but I'll keep doing it with or without rewards. That makes me happy because I am a part of the World Cleanup Day agents. Let's make a cleaner and a better world.